Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research, so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best multimeters to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the INNOVA Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. For beginners, INNOVA is the perfect meter you need if you want to make a name in the electronic engineering field. You can use INNOVA in solving household problems, such as car batteries failure, because it is an auto-ranging multimeter. This best beginner multimeter can input up to 10 meg-ohms, and comes with color indicators on its digital large LCD display to indicate the battery power. Green color shows it has enough power. Yellow shows the battery is weak, and red indicates that its batteries need a replacement. Other accessories that this INNOVA high-end multimeter comes with include AAA batteries, alligator clips, holders, carry strap, test leads, and a stand for hands-free use. Its capability to test AC and DC voltage, resistance, and diodes. Features: UL certified product design, auto-ranging scales, single setting resistance function for AC and DC voltage. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Klein Tools Digital Multimeter. If you know enough about electrical wiring to work on large appliances, such as electric stoves and refrigerators, or if you have the skills to install or repair the wiring in your home, trailer, or RV, consider adding the Klein Tools MM500 multimeter to your toolkit. This digital multimeter, which runs on 2 AAA batteries, comes with auto-ranging capability and a backlit display and tests AC, DC voltage, resistance, and current. Probes, however, are not included. Features: multimeter measures up to 600 AC, DC voltage. Electrical tester measures temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and test diodes and continuity. Low battery indicator and easily accessible battery compartment. Coming up next. In third place we have the Fluke Digital Multimeter. The Fluke multimeter is the work of art that electricians have been waiting for. Its tagline, "Ideal Multimeter," couldn't be more accurate. But while you may think your multimeter suits you just fine too, it could never compare to how well designed and user-friendly a Fluke device will make your life as an electrical engineer in the field much easier. If you're in the market for a digital multimeter, then Fluke has made an excellent choice with their new model. It's got all the bells and whistles that any professional electrician will need to do his or her job properly. Not many other devices can claim to be backed by a 3-year warranty, and Fluke proves their commitment to this generous offer. Features: safer and rugged, accurate measure current, voltage and frequency, built-in thermometer and temperature probe. Now moving to the number 4. Astro AI Digital Multimeter. The Astro AI earns its spot as our all-around favorite multimeter. Compared to other premium products, this model combines an impressive set of both AC and DC measurement capabilities in a convenient and affordable package. This meter has plenty of additional functionality, allowing you to check components like transistors, diodes, resistors, and capacitors, as well as measure temperatures using the thermocouple. For DIY electronic projects, household wiring repair, or working on VDC systems found on cars and boats, this meter is an excellent option. Despite these small critiques, the Astro AI is an exceptional digital multimeter. It's a great tool for troubleshooting all sorts of circuits and wiring, and is the product we recommend first for most people. Features: versatile digital multimeter, remote control and built-in timer, suitable for many occasions. In the 5th position we have the KAIWETS Digital Multimeter. The KAIWETS is another fantastic multimeter. This meter is auto-ranging and has a solid set of voltage and current measurements for both DC and AC. It's capable of measuring frequency, temperature, continuity, and resistance, along with diodes and capacitors. Even better, this model has a non-contact voltage sensor and a live wire detector. both of which will illuminate the backlight orange once it registers over 80 volt or so, alerting you to the presence of significant amounts of AC running through the wires you're measuring. User-friendly, the display is large and very easy to read, and the connectors will light up to show you where to plug in the test leads, helping prevent some of the most common mistakes when using these products. This unit even has an integrated flashlight. All in all, the KAIWETS is a fantastic meter, and we readily recommend it. Features: easy operation, multifunction, safety first. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best multimeters. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.